What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here, and we out here on the GROM. Mobbing and squabbing, baby. I used to laugh at the idea of having one of these, but I kind of appreciate it now. And this one is souped up. It's got a big bore kit. I'm gonna list everything it got. So it's a little faster than a regular GROM. Oh, I'm not used to that. Not being able to get up and get gone where you want to go. I'm not used to not having no mirrors either. This shit is fun. Full throttle, 54 miles an hour. I like that. I like that. Can't get in no type of trouble on this. Oh man. But yeah, man, go ahead and do me a favor. Take your thumb and go ahead and mush that like button, man. Let YouTube know we doing a little something over here on Master Yoshi's YouTube channel. All right, y'all. So first off, man, this thing is so comfortable, but it's heavily modded, so I don't know what the real GROM experience is like, or the stock GROM experience, I should say. We got these pro taper bars on here. I'm comfortable. I'm comfortable. It is really weird from my helmet point of view. I can't see my hands or nothing. You know, usually when I'm crouched down on Lucinda, my peripheral vision can pick up my hands. I don't see nothing. Just straight ahead. Nothing wrong with it. It's just interesting. Oh man, this thing is fun. I 100% agree. It is more fun to ride a slow bike fast than a fast bike slow. Oh yeah, let me get one of these. What y'all think? Would y'all switch up on me if I got a GROM? Oh man, this would just be one addition. I want multiple bikes, and I might have to add this to the future stable, or to the stable that I hope to build. This is so fun. Oh my god. It seems to be handling quite well. Can't get in no type of trouble. This shit is so fun. Let me not go too far. We might need some gas. But yes, man, I kind of want one. I kind of want one. Because the better I get at riding my 600, the faster I seem to ride it. And I started off going real slow, real nice and easy, and all of that. But man, I am just getting faster and faster. Not to the point to where I want to do anything reckless, but I told y'all already, I already got pulled over once. And I still don't plan on doing nothing reckless, but I feel like it's just so much harder to get in trouble on this thing than it is on a sports bike. And I also feel that the police might look at this with a little less of a suspicious eye than they do my CBR 600RR. But man, he's got this thing souped up. He's telling me ain't no stock GROM ain't gonna move like this one do. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This may be the next bike. Yeah, man, if I could sum up what this bike feels like in one word, man, it is just fun. It's one of those things where you don't expect too much out of, so it's like, you just get on it for fun. You get back to the basics of motorcycle riding. The whole reason we get these things, motorcycles in general, is to enjoy them, to have fun. And it's real easy to do that. I'm telling y'all, I'm leaning further and further towards keeping Lucinda on the track only. Yeah, man, I hope this thing will start back up after I put some gas in it. If not, I'm about to push start it, which ain't no big deal. We strong out here.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Damn. Kickstart time. Oh. Damn. Okay, lesson learned. Woo. Oh man. Woo. Well, it ain't finna leave me stranded, so that's a plus. But yeah, maybe we gotta get this, oh shit. Maybe we gotta adjust the throttle or something, so to quit cutting off like that. But yeah, let's take a look at this little thing. He's got the custom seat on here. Got the Two Brothers exhaust. Looks like it's just a slip on, I'm guessing. He's got an oil cooler on it. Pro taper bars. What else he got? He said he got the Power Commander 5 in here. So this ain't no regular stock GROM. Looking good. Woo, yes sir, man. These are fun. Would I want this as my only bike? Hell no. As a little fun scoot, get around town bike? Yes sir, yes indeed.
Something very important I forgot to mention. If you live somewhere where you need to travel a main road often, and that main road speed limit is above 45 miles per hour, you might want to reconsider getting a GROM. Y'all saw what the max speed was, and I like to be able to travel a little bit faster than the speed of traffic. You know, if somebody's doing 55, they're gonna be up on me. So for me, the GROM ain't gonna work, because I like to be able to get up and get gone if I need to.
Yeah, man, I just want to give y'all a quick little rundown of how I feel on it, my initial reactions to this GROM. You know, you really can't do a good in-depth review until you've owned the bike for some time. So that's why I kept it short and sweet. I thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all stay blessed, don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.